Alright, we got the best two deals at the low. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTubers will platform by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing. To start here, we got some clearance outdoor stuff. Just thought I glanced it real quick for you guys. You got the Cobalt toolbox in white wood top. You got $429 down from $498. This is a pretty nice box. Does have self-closing drawers. So pretty high end for that. And then another high end box. You got the pink box here. Same thing. However, I don't think this is worth the money. This Cobalt's only $488. It does not have all the features that the pink does have. But for almost half the price, I'll definitely take the Cobalt over this pink box. And this one, yeah, $488. So that's actually a pretty good deal, pretty dang good deal for this Cobalt. Now, however, it does not have the self-closing drawers. You got the tool storage here for $10.49. It's actually a pretty big size. And then you got the pressure sprayer here for $149 down for the 2 amp hour battery. You got the cordless multi-garden toolkit. 165 holes. So yeah, it's a nice auger for smaller plants for $129. Then you got this new tool that I never seen before, telescopic power scrubber kit for $159. So yeah, they're coming after Ryobi. So, and it's a lot cheaper than the Ryobi one because it does come with battery and everything. So I don't know if you could fit the Ryobi attachments on this or not, but it's actually, I really like competition because it brings down the price. It brings new innovation, new technology. All right, $299 for this string trimmer, 16-inch, and then $249 for this misting floor fan. I can't talk today. This is actually a really nice fan. This was on sale. Well, this was actually on clearance like about 6 months ago for around 150 bucks. I just did not get it. I should have just gotten it. All right, some items on clearance are this mowers. This one's down to $349, down from $449. However, I did not see a battery or a charger. I don't know. Let's look at the inside here. And there's nothing there. So I don't think this mower is worth the $300. It's only worth like 100 bucks. However, this is a gas and it did not have a tag, but you can probably just, if you find something like that, make sure you guys go on over to the manager. And then this one was down to $223, down from $319. This is actually a pretty dang good deal for a gas mower. It is Craftsman gas. Everything's in there, pretty much brand new. I don't know why they returned this, but actually pretty brand new mower there for the price. Really good deal. Alright, another good deal is this $599. This is top of the line, guys. Self-propelled rear wheel drive mower. It is the select cut, so it's like I said, top of the line. It's down from $717, so that's a really good deal. Got the Cobalt string trimmer for $134 clearance. And that is the kit. It does come with battery and charger. It's pretty nice. You got another good deal here for the budget. You got the Cobalt mower for $399, down from $499. It is self-propelled 20-inch. Alright, some more good deals here. I don't know if this is actually related to the DeWalt one, but this is you got some shears there, some trimmers. They might be related to them. Alright, so they got this generator, dual fuel 4,000 watt Furman for $699. Not bad at all. It is propane and gas. So up to 9 hours runtime, propane and gas. Then they got this by Generac home standby generators. Get a 10 extended limited parts and warranty. So I guess they give you a warranty if you buy the Generac, the permanent generators for emergency situations. Got the cordless string trimmer kit with the 4 amp hour for $96. Then they got the blower for $99, down from $149. Not bad deal. Somebody on the budget. Medium-sized yard. Alright, so they got this this axe for $19, down from $32. This is actually a pretty good dang good deal. I didn't pick it up because I don't need an axe. I got so many chainsaws. You got the steel leaf rake, $31, and then they got this one for $19. It is plastic. You got this pressure washer 3400 Pro Simpson for $5.99. You got a 5-inch trench, $29. So these are all the yellow tags that I found on this section, by the way. Alright, so clearance section here, we got the ball pen hammer for $12, and then you got the curved jaw hammer for $7. And then these were in here. I don't know exactly the price, but I just thought I'd show you guys so you guys would look at the price in case you're interested in that. You got the reusable gauge. Now this one, it's a little expensive because if you guys go to AutoZone or Walmart, you guys could get for around $29. You guys could get the can with that part. So you got some more clearance items here. Bosch compact tripod down to $50, down from $69.98. And that is the knee kicker for the carpet installers. So that's pretty interesting. $42 up from $84. That's actually a pretty good deal for them. For whoever does that, remodels. I got a brush screwdriver kit, Craftsman. V20, half an inch. That is $89. Pretty good deal. Made in the USA with global materials. You got the impact driver, 3-speed. 143 down from 179. Now this one's a little bit more expensive. I'll definitely wait on that one. So, alright, the same thing with these. They do got the buy one get one free. So you buy the lower tier, which is 179, or the 249. Get a free tool. Obviously, the two batteries, the 279 is going to be the better deal, or the 249 is going to be the better deal. You get more battery for your money, because that one's a really small battery, unless you really need a power stack battery. Alright, so they got this on clearance. They got the stack pack accessories, $4.98. Nobody wants these. They're on every store. There's one of those. Adjustable wrench on clearance for $11.27. It's actually not bad. I got the buy one get one free, so you get the 4-tool combo kit for $6.49. That's a really good deal. You get a free tool, or the 2-tool combo kit for $4.99. So there's a lot of tools to choose from. Definitely go for the angle grinder, the vacuum, the radio, the jigsaw. All those are good tools to get. So definitely check them out. Here's all the details of all the power tools, combos you guys, and this is to August the 2nd. I got the Hex Impact Driver for $99. That's a really good deal on this one. And same thing with this drill for $99, down for $179. And then the combo for $249. Obviously the single tools is going to be the best deal. And they got this rotary hammer for $460, down from $549. And they got these adapters, Apex shock adapters. And then they got the circular saw blades, 6.5 DeWalt's for $8.98. They got the flex. They got the compact, the new compact design. And they got this on clearance. It's a nice deal. $287 down from $319. I'm pretty sure it's gonna drop even lower. And then same thing with this one. This is the 6-tool combo kit for $512. And then got $24.98. Pretty nice. It does come with the right angle attachment. So definitely recommend this one, guys. If you guys need a right angle attachment, just to have it, every garage should have one of these. And it does come with some nice bits there. A Tic Tac case. Alright, same thing with this. You buy a select power tool and get a free 4-amp hour battery for free. That's not bad. $55 for the drywall screw gun with our screw gun magazine. And then you got the screw gun bare tool for $79 clearance. That's what they look like. You got the planer down to $127, down from $159. Got the Bosch jigsaw. It is corded for $104, down from $139. You got the Metabo HPT tool battery there. So they're gonna clearance and do stuff, and they still have some of these, and they're a lot more expensive than what we used to buy them for though. I ended up getting mine for like $100 or something like that with the free starter kit. That was way back in the day, like 2 years ago. And some more clearance items here: 36 volt reciprocating saw, $143. You gotta select Metabo HPT tool and get a 2-pack of lithium battery and charger. And then you got the impact driver kit for $89. That's a pretty good deal. Triple hammer. You guys know triple hammer is one of the best ones they have. And then they got the drill driver, impact driver for $199. Another great deal is this miter saw. It's down to $399. I know we've seen this for a few weeks already, but still, this is one of the miter saws that the classic, basically the one that started everything. And talking about miter saws, guys, this one's on clearance. This was a killer deal. I didn't pick it up because I don't have any space, but check this out. It's $134, down from $269. It is a 10-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. That is the item number there. If you want to look it up in your store, or see in your area, see if you have it. But I would definitely jump on that SAP. If you guys want to know the location on this Lowe's, let me know, and I'll give you guys the location here in Phoenix area, the Phoenix Valley. Alright, so they do have the buy one get one free, as you guys did see, and then they got the $5.99 kit there. It's actually a pretty nice kit, 7-2 combo kits. Reciprocating saw sander, and this one reciprocating saw, impact driver, and drill driver for $349. You get the power stacks. This is the smaller one. And then they got the 2 5s there for $299. So pretty expensive. Those power stacks are really expensive. Oh, this is a really good deal. All the top of the line power detects are on sale with an 8 amp hour battery as a kit. So definitely jump on those. Those are really good deals. And then they got the buy one get one free for the, like I said, for the 12 volt tools. You got the impact wrench, the circular saw. All those are great to have. Guys, that's it. Just a short video. Just want to show you guys what's up with this week. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon. And you guys have a great weekend. Thank you.